Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and never run out of charge again with this amazing little power bank from Yoobao.
If you're anything like me, you are completely lost without your devices, so having a good, reliable power bank is a necessity. This one is so unique because it can charge up to three devices at once, and it comes with a built in USB C cable. So that is so convenient. You don't have to remember to bring an extra cable with you. And I really love how this button on the front is dual purpose where you can see the charge, but then you can also use it to turn the power bank on and off so you can save battery. And it's just so well designed. I love that it is easily charged with a USB C cable, but then you can use a regular USB with it. And like I said, this built in cable is such a game changer, making this the most portable and lightweight device charger I have ever had.
You don't have to worry about ever running out of power if you carry this little guy with you. I think it's the perfect companion to have with you wherever you go. And that's my point of view.